Okay, so in the last video we set up reporting terms. Reporting terms allows us to collect grades. They basically act as a container to report the grades out in. In this video we are going to copy the setup we did in one section to all the other sections we teach throughout the year. To do this, you start by highlighting the section. In this example, I'll use 3A MOC related. And if it wasn't already highlighted, I would select T1, the highest of the hierarchy in the reporting terms. Then under Tools, I can go to Copy Final Grade Setup. It allows me to copy only the entire class because I'm taking the entire term reporting term. If I was only taking one of these subterms like P or R, it would allow me to copy just that into any other section I wanted. But in this example, we want to take everything and copy it into all other sections. When I hit OK, it first comes up to only the term that I have selected in the top left of the gradebook. I want to copy the setup to all other terms and all other sections that I teach for this year. To do that, I click the drop down and I click the 11-12 school year. When I do that, I will see all of the sections I teach for the entire year. Then I can simply click on the first one. Now the first one, you'll notice there are T's. It is trimester 2. On the right side it says, okay, what does T2 equal in what you're trying to copy? And I notice that it is T1. All of my T's are the same, as are my P's and my R's, my W's and my E's. So this is correct. The system tries to figure out what you want to copy for you. If I wanted to change this, I could click on the drop down and I would be able to select something different. However, in this case, the system has chosen correctly for me, so I just say confirm. As I go down and I select other terms, it's going to continue to say, is this correct? And I'll continue to confirm. Okay, once I have confirmed and selected all of the sections that I will teach for this year, I can now say next, and it will tell me the final grade setup for each class will be updated. Any existing final grade for the reporting terms in those classes will be recalculated based on the new setup, and that is what I want. So then I click Finish, and it'll take just a second to copy that setup to all of my terms. Okay, so now we can verify that this took place by clicking on another section. I notice I clicked on my computer graphics, trimester 1. I now have my 90-10 there. Under work, I have a 70-30. I could also verify this by going to another trimester, clicking on a class. I also have my 90-10, my 70-30, so my copy was successful. This is the final step in setting up reporting terms.